into the teeny but mighty world of enzymes, the unsung heroes powering everything from your morning late to life-saving medicines. Stick around to learn how these molecular machines work, why they are so picky about temperature, and how they are secretly running industries. Let's get started. By the end of this video, you will be able to define enzymes, explain their industrial uses, and even that the lock and the key versus induced fit models like a pro. Ready? Let's break it down. Back in 1877, Wilhe Kühne named these catalyst enzymes, Greek for yeast, but it took until 1897 for Edward Buchner to prove yeast extracts could ferment sugar without living cells. Mind-blowing, right? Today we know enzymes are protein catalysts, speeding up reactions without getting used up. Enzymes are like molecular origami. Their 3D tertiary structure creates a perfect bouquet called the active site. They are reusable, super efficient, but also fragile. Mess with their pH or temperature. They will denature faster than a snowman in summer. Imagine pushing a boulder over a hill. Enzymes flatten that hill. Take orotidine decarboxylase. It turns 78 million year reaction into 25 milliseconds. That is like aging a fine wine in the time it takes to snap your fingers. Enzymes have their own ID system, EC numbers or enzyme commission numbers. For example, EC 3.4.11.1 breaks down like a postal code. Class 3 or hydrolase, subclass 4 or peptidase, and so on. Nerd alert! There are over 5,000 known enzymes. Yeah, biologists weren't kidding around. Ever had lactose-free milk? Thank lactase. Detergents use proteases to eat stains, and streptokinase saves lives by dissolving blood clots. Enzymes are quite most valuable players of your grocery store and medicine cabinet. The old school lock and key model works, but the induced-fit is like a handshake. The enzyme molds around its substrate. Think of it as a high five that gets better with practice. Enzymes sometimes need wingmen, cofactors or like zinc and coenzymes, often vitamins, help them work. Without these helpers, enzymes are like a phone without a battery, useless. Enzymes are Goldilocks. They want everything just right. Too hot, they fry. Too acidic, they melt. But get it right, and they are unstoppable, and if you flood them with substrate, they max out. Irreversible inhibitors are the villains here. But feedback inhibition is genius. It's like your body saying, we made enough ATP, focus, take a break. So enzymes are everywhere. They are fragile, powerful, and literally life-changing. Got questions? Drop them below. Thank you.